Hi guys, just a quick video for you here. I'm working on this Mito multi-air. Been to another garage, reported turbo had just stopped boosting all of a sudden with no problems at all. It just stopped boosting. Been to another garage, they couldn't read the fault codes, so the customers come to me to have a look at it. Quickly read the fault codes. Nothing on there related to the turbo. Removed the intake pipe. Found some play in the turbo shaft here. So let's take the cat off and have a look at what's going on with the turbo. Took the cat off and heard a little bit of a rattle, so let's see what falls out here. Oh, rolled under the car. Oh, it just happens to be the turbo shaft. So yeah, I think the turbo's a little bit gone on this one. So I may do a video on this in the future just to show you the repair of it. So yes, unfortunately an expensive repair bill for this one, and I don't think that turbo just stopped going, unless it did just fail at some traffic lights, but yeah, we shall see. You may have an update on this one or not, but yeah, thanks for watching. Right, back with the Mito. Found the cause of the turbo blowing. This is the main oil feed pipe which goes into the turbo. Tried blowing a little bit of air through it, doesn't want to know. Tried poking a bit of rod through it, and it doesn't go very far at all. If I poke the metal into the hole, that's about as far as it goes. So something between there and there which is blocking it. I have just called the dealer to see how much a new pipe is. And just for this pipe from the dealer, it's about £130 plus VAT, which is rather expensive. So I have managed to obtain one from another Alfa parts supplier for I think about £70 plus VAT, something like that. So saved a few quid on that one there. So let's get this cut open. We'll see what's blocking it. Hopefully it's not chunks of metal from the turbo. So let's get to the workbench and cut it open. The pipe is well and truly blocked. I have tried saving it in various ways, letting some brake cleaner go through it, ramming stuff through it, blowing air through it. It doesn't want to know, so I do have to order a new pipe. So I'm going to cut it here and just see if you can see what's stopping the oil from circulating. So right, there is inside the turbo oil feed pipe. It is absolutely solid with carbon buildup. So this car hasn't been serviced very well its entire life. The customer's bought this car. It's not got very good previous service history, but it was serviced just before he bought it, or since he's bought it. So for it to go like that was, oh my God, that's really bad. So I've managed to get it in that far and it still doesn't want to come out. So this pipe is probably mostly blocked up. Let's go for a few more cuts. So there we go, that's the end of the blockage. And it's now poking through the end there. Let's find that bit which I've now dropped on the floor. See, that's the unblocked end. It goes in that far, so it's probably blocked right into there. So yep, that's the reason why the turbo went.